Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So let's start the video. So first of all, go to Insert tab and add a text box. There you go. And now you have to write the text. Now select it and you have to increase its size and you have to bold it. There you go. Now move it into the center of the template. Adjust it. There you go. And that's all you had to do. Next, what you have to do is select the background image and the text and go to shape format and merge and fragment. There you go. You have to select these texts, all of the text you have to select, and now you have to go to shape format and color and choose this one from here. So that's all for today. So this is the final result. Be sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more videos like these. Moreover, I have provided the link to my Patreon in the description. Be sure to join my Patreon for free and you can get access to free products.